Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube ఛానల్. నిన్న వచ్చేసి వి కేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ బెంగళూరు టు మిన్నార్ అండ్ నేను ఇంకా ప్రాపర్గా షూట్ చేయలేదు. కొన్ని విజువల్స్ అయితే రికార్డ్ చేశాను, అవి అయితే చూడండి. గోయింగ్ టు కులుక్కుమలై సన్రైజ్ వ్యూ పాయింట్ ఇన్ జీప్ సఫారీ, అమేజింగ్. Unable to hold the camera because of the way. So we all already reached Kulukkumalai viewpoint and a little has to walk. A little steep we have here, so we need to climb it. Uh, wow, what a view, man! Crazy. Sun. So this is an example, like for a quote we have, right? Hard roads will take you to the best destinations. And I've taken a few pictures here. I'll tag if possible. This is the other side of a viewpoint. It's like a milky lake, and this is the boss peak. And now we are heading back to our stay, tent stay basically. So this jeep safari is also included in that, and I'm not able to hold the camera because of the way it is. uh, After breakfast, we took a nap and we woke up around 1 p.m. See how the climate is. We vacated the stay around 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. I'm not sure correctly, but and we are now heading towards Munnar. So we go there and we'll search for some rooms and we'll book one room. See this road, the view, the waterfalls, the rain. See, we literally came to experience this one to Munnar. Only the gap road. That's why we booked that tent stay. So rain started again, man. But apart from that, see the view. Like that cold breeze. It's amazing. Zing zing. And this is a Munnar Gap Road, or Gap Road Munnar people used to call. So this is the top 10 best routes to cover, that too in bike in India. So uh, it was my lucky thing or whatever. I don't know exactly what to do, what to say, but I'm blessed to have a ride on this road. Anyway, it is not that clearly visible because of the rain, but the enjoyment, the vibe, the positivity that I have in this ride is lifetime memorable for me. The turns, and one side it is full of greenery, the other side it is full of like mountain thing, and due to the rain we had a lot of fog and all, and the clouds are literally touching our faces while riding. I completely opened my visor completely throughout the road. So it's that amazing. So everyone, whoever is having time, go and enjoy this ride at least. It was a bit scary also because so the beautiful locations that is in front of the eyes, automatically our eyesight will go into that side, which may leads to some accidents or some like skidding because of the rain and all. So we have to be a bit careful while riding at this road, especially when it is riding also. We stayed around 30 to 40 kilometers far from Munnar, which is very deep into the forest. We literally went like, oh my god. Even we got scary whether there we have this tent will or whether they are going to scam us or what. But Really, that is the best stay that we got in the cheapest price. We always prefer a cheapest one because we want to enjoy rather than took a comfort zone. I feel when you come out of the comfort zone, then only you can experience the magic and the struggles, everything. కనపడట్లా అసలు. దాంట్లోంచి కనపడట్లా అసలు, ఇంట్లో పెడితే కనపడట్లా. And we randomly called some hotels that is showing in the Google, and we have booked one hotel which seems okay, but it was in the budget, and it is around 18 kilometers for now, and we are now heading towards it. కొత్త నేలపై కాలి సంతకం, కొండగాలితో శ్వాస పంపకం, తెరిచా హృదయం కడుతూ స్నేహం గెలిచా ప్రతి శిఖరం. బ్రతుకే పయనం వదిలై జగడం, నువ్వు పంచే మంచే మళ్ళీ నీకే దొరకదా. చలో చలో సంచారి చల్ చలో చలో. నచ్చితే లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. సీ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వ్లాగ్.